Hi, in this video I will show you how to find post you are tagged in on the Instagram. So the process is pretty simple. If you want to see the photos that you are tagged in on your Instagram, you can simply follow this procedure to find it out. So first procedure is that you can simply go to your heart button in the main menu, and here you will see the tagged pictures of your Instagram account. Moreover, you have to click on your profile from the right bottom. Once you will click here on the scroll up, and here you will see two options, this and this. You have to tap on this icon. So this is basically your tagged photos or videos option, like you read it here. So if you want to find out any of the picture of the video in which you are tagged, you can simply get that pictures or the video here. So in this way you can see your tagged videos or picture on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.